Good morning, my friends. My name is Lama Jigme Gyatso, but in a pinch, you can call me Jig. This is 5-Minute Mindfulness. Welcome to the Buddha Joy Meditation School. Today we're going to continue playing with the first noble truth of suffering, yuck. But we're going to play with it in a way that fosters our sense of amusement at our own expense. Sucks if other people laugh at us, but it's empowering when we laugh at us. We're going to begin with 3 exercises focusing on scent, and then 3 exercises focusing on sound. As always, we play with rhetorical questions. Our job is not to answer the questions, but merely to recite the question silently and mentally, and then relax on the out-breath to the best of our ability. You do those 2 things, and progress is inevitable. On the in-breath, silently and mentally ask, how could not getting a scent I crave when I please, out-breath, be suffering? How could not keeping a scent I crave for as long as I please, out-breath, be suffering? How could enduring a scent I hate, out-breath, be suffering? How could not getting a sound I crave when I please be suffering? Come on, all heartbroken lovers, you know what it's like to want to hear those 3 words, I love you, but yet never hear them. That's suffering, isn't it? Or how about cat lovers? You made a friend with a new cat, and you're petting it, and it just won't purr. Ah! What torture. Okay, it's very subtle torture, but still. Let's continue. How could not keeping a sound I crave for as long as I please be suffering? How could enduring a sound I hate be suffering? Let's conclude today's practice with a bit of the old metta meditation. And well, while we're on the subject of suffering, let's do a karuna meditation, which is very similar to metta. We're playing with our intention. Our intention is to take away suffering. So let's turn our attention to animal agriculture, to cows, pigs, chicken, fish, lamb, and the like. No one wants to be a slave. There are many types of enslavement. There's a literal enslavement of animals. There's the metaphoric enslavement that many people economically experience. Soothe my experience of enslavement, relaxing. Soothe neighbor's experience of enslavement, relaxing. Soothe every earthling's experience of enslavement, relaxing. Soothe all beings' experience of enslavement, relaxing. Now let's flip that around and do a metta meditation. Freedom for me, freedom for me, relaxing. Freedom for neighbors, relaxing. Freedom for earthlings, relaxing. Freedom for all beings, relaxing. I want to remind you that below the video is a phrase that reads "show more." When you click that, it opens the doodly-doo where there's a bunch of free stuff. Below the, the transcript for today's contemplations, you'll see a link so that you could register for the next series of weekly webinars, either in person if you live in Southern California's Inland Empire, or if you wish to attend over the internet via live webinar simulcast. Everything I do is free and by donation only. Some give a lot, some give little, some give nothing. The only thing that's mandatory is punctuality and practice. May you and yours be healthy and happy. Bye-bye now.